Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to talk about element, ID, and class using HTML and CSS. So yeah, let's begin. So I will give my title as morning activities here, right? Then I will also create one H1 here. I've already one here. I will just copy this name. I want this name only. You can just type whatever name you want. Okay. Yeah. So now let me just create one on our unordered list. On order list, I have to create a list now inside it. So I will give as um, so li. I will just type input. There's something wrong. Okay, let me just create one input type here. Input type is equal to, I will just type as checkbox here. Okay, input type would be the checkbox, and then I will also type a name inside that. I will type as what I my morning activities. It would be morning exercises, right? Let me just create two more of such. Again, I will create one input type here, and I will do one checkbox here. I don't want any name or something here right now. I will give taking a bath. We'll take a bath, and also one more li. And I will give as input type again. It would be checkbox, and one more message would be there, and I will type as take a breakfast. Just save that and let me just refresh my page. Okay, I got a skeleton right now. Morning activities. I got a bullet points and I also got the checkbox right now. Right? Okay. Now I have to do something on the CSS stuff now. Right? Let me just do something. Okay. Before that, I have to link my CSS with my HTML. So let's just do that. And if you remember, I have told you guys that the link would always come under the head. So I will just type link and everything would be there. And but I have to give the reference and it would be basic because my CSS file name is basic.css, right? So okay, I have already linked my CSS. So yeah, let's begin with the CSS now. So I will give as li because I have already created one li, but I have to do some changes with my li now, right? And I will give as border, just a border, and it would be oh, okay, it would be 2 pixel, it would be solid, and it would be blue. Let's confirm that our CSS is linked with HTML now. Just refresh the page, and yes, the border has came to all of this, to all of my allies, right? Okay, so now we will move on with the ID now. So what is ID? I Okay, suppose if you want to, so what is ID? So li, or if you are using li, it's just changing all the li's, right? But if you want to just change a specific li, suppose we go to our page and we just want to change this one only, not, we don't have to do the changes in all of this. So for that reason we use IDs. So how does ID work? So let's begin. Okay, so I will make some changes here. Okay, I will just create one ID here. And what would be my ID name? It would be activity. Okay, save that, go to your CSS. Now, always remember when you use your ID, you have to use hash symbol here and just type the name of your ID. And my ID name is activity, right? Just open that. Now I will just type, I want to change the background for for this thing. I will just type the background and I will give a color as orange. Save that and let's see what happens. As you can see, I have told you, I if I just want to change a single element, not not on all the LIs, you can just give an ID and see, you can do the changes. But this ID only works for a single element, like uh, only one element. But if you want to just do the changes with the multiple elements, how would you do that? For that, you have to use the classes. So how do classes work? Okay, so let's go ahead with the classes now. Suppose now I have want to make changes only with morning exercise and take a bath. How would you do that? Here, okay, I will give us a class name here now. And my class name would be finish. I will give us finish. You can just give any name, but for class, if you want to make multiple changes, you have to use the same class name because I want to change in both these things, morning exercise as well as take a bath. So I will give the same class name, right? Okay, now you also have to make changes in your CSS file. Okay, so for classes, as you have seen, for ID you have to give first hash symbol. For class you have to give a dot symbol. Everything would be same. Again, you will just give the same name, activity, and right, just give us text decoration. This is something new which I have covered in this topic, text decoration. So I just want to give a line through. For suppose I just want to cancel this both the stuffs, morning exercise and take a bath. So I will give a line through here. Save that. Go to your page. Just refresh that page. There's some mistake, I think. We did some mistake. So can you guys figure out what was the mistake? Oh, so the mistake was the class name I have given for this thing was finish, but instead I have written as activity. So it's not making any changes here. So just type finish here, save that, go to your page, refresh that page. And as you can see, there is a line through now. Both the things got cancelled. So yeah, this is how ID, element, and class works, right? So that's all for this video, guys. So the recap is we have used ID here. For ID, you have to use, suppose you have to give an ID for this one, you just give us ID is equal to you should give the name and an HTML file. And for the CSS, you have to use the hash symbol for the ID. And for the class, again, you just give the class name for that. And in the CSS, use the dot symbol first and the class name, open the curly brackets and just give it. There are many kind of uh, classes, the text decoration here. You can use that. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe, please share, and yeah, take care, guys. Have a great day.